damaged undersea cables off Taiwan's coast may have opened a can of worms for the self-ruled island. The incident that threatened the island's internet connectivity could now provide clues to a bigger impending problem: China's growing use of grey zone tactics. To give you a recap, Taiwan's Chunghwa Telecom detected that an international undersea communication cable had been damaged earlier this month. It was later found that the island's notorious neighbor may have had something to do with it. Reports indicated that a suspicious Chinese-linked ship, the Shunshin 39, had passed near the damaged cable. Its radar data and odd behavior, such as deviation from a typical cargo vessel's path and the use of multiple positioning systems, support Taiwan's suspicions. The involvement of Chinese ships in two high-profile incidents linked to undersea infrastructure damage in the Baltic Sea also points fingers at Beijing. Although the incident is still under investigation, it has stirred fears of a larger Chinese strategy to employ grey zone tactics. This means China is resorting more to activities that fall short of direct confrontation but could weaken Taiwan and create a strategic leverage. Through this alleged attack on Taiwan's undersea infrastructure, China aimed to disrupt the island's vital lifelines that connect it to the outside world. And this is not a lone incident. Beijing has been aggressively employing this strategy to test Taiwan's vulnerabilities. It has increasingly relied on its Coast Guard, various police and maritime safety agencies, as well as the maritime militia of civilian ships to threaten Taiwan. In 2024, Taiwan experienced approximately 8 incursions per day, while large-scale military exercises aimed at demonstrating China's capabilities also increased in frequency. Undersea cable damage, the expanded role of the Chinese Coast Guard in the blockade operations, increased airspace incursions, disinformation campaigns, and the imposition of trade barriers and suspension of tariff concessions. All of these tactics reflect a broader strategy by China to assert control over Taiwan without engaging in direct military conflict. So a few questions emerge. Is Taiwan equipped enough to deal with China's emerging grey zone threats? Or will China succeed in achieving its long-cherished dream of Taiwan's reunification through these hybrid warfare strategies? Bureau Report, India Today Global.